following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department. At 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there was an unknown individual roaming the streets of Dallas, killing everybody in its sight. It looks like a demonic creature that looks like a dog. If you see this creature, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Dallas Police Department. At 7:30 a.m. Central or Standard Time, the demonic-like creature dog has been a nuclear power plant, and as a result, radioactive chemicals has been leaking out of it. This has caused fallout to be positioned in the air. Do not go outside. If you go outside, you'll face certain death. Fallout is a product of nuclear attack. Long exposure to fallout will result in certain death. We advise all citizens to shelter in place. When sheltering in place, bring necessary supplies, such as food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight in a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Get in the most interior room on the lowest floor, such as the basement, the bathroom, or the closet. Turn off all lights inside your residence. Stay tuned for more information.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Dallas Police Department. At 8 o'clock Central Daylight Time, the demonic dog creature has grown into a ginormous entity, and also has been seen teaming up with unknown enemies. This is an immediate evacuation order. Evacuation is required. If you do not evacuate, you face certain death. When you evacuate, bring necessary supplies, such as food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. When you evacuate, tie a red towel to your mailbox to let the authorities know you understand about the current threat. Take evacuation routes set up by authorities when you evacuate. Stay tuned for more information.
Welcome to WDSU 6 News serving the southeastern Louisiana region. The current traffic is slow, with a 10% chance of rain near the New Orleans area. West I-10 has been closed due to a car crash. Luckily no one was killed, but both the drivers are injured. That's all we have for this morning. WDSU 6 signing off.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the New Orleans Police Department. An unknown figure has been seen roaming the streets of New Orleans, killing anyone in sight. Lock all doors and windows, and do not make sound. This creature is highly attracted by sounds. Police have no visual description of this creature yet, but it is believed to be the same creature that was in Dallas. If you see this creature, call 911 immediately. And do not hesitate. Stay tuned to our local radio station for news and updates about this situation. transmitted at the request of the New Orleans Police Department. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. The dog's owner, who is possessed by his dog, has planted a nuclear bomb and threatens to detonate it if his demands are not met. Every parish or city within a 49-mile radius of New Orleans must evacuate. When evacuating, bring necessary supplies like food, water, a flashlight, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Tie a brightly colored towel to any visible parts of your home. The authorities will pick you up and evacuate you. If you are evacuating on your own, follow evacuation routes set up by authorities. Stay tuned for more information.
Hello, welcome to Fox 30 in Manchester. I'm your news anchor, Michael, and we have some devastating news. The states of Louisiana and Texas were attacked by two malevolent figures. The two figures will be shown on screen. Keep children under 18 away from the screens.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Manchester Police Department. Lock all doors and windows now. The two fugitives, as shown on the news earlier, have entered Manchester and are breaking in homes and killing anyone in sight. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.